kite zoom through the sky. They helped the farmer feed the sheep, then ran through hay in one big leap. With wiggly tails and muddy paws, they licked their lips and took a pause. When stars came out and moonlight glowed, they